Greetings, this is Matt Vaiolo, Technical Marketing Engineer with the Cisco Cloud Networking Compute BU, and we're back with another Intersight Managed Mode Expert Series video. Today's video will be somewhat short. It's basically a feature video with Intersight Managed Mode, and it's a relatively recent feature we adding VLANs with the UI at scale. It is something that many customers have requested and we delivered. So with that, I'm going to show you just a brief slide and then on to a quick demo. Okay, so the feature we're going to be talking about here, adding VLANs with the UI at scale, allows you to basically have a bulk way of getting VLANs into the Ethernet network group server policy. So that's the policy we're working with for the server profile. And as such, option number one there, adding them manually, has always been there, but it's been very slow and very repetitive, okay, to get large amounts of VLANs into that Ethernet network group policy. So we had a lot of feedback from customers, and we introduced options 2 and 3. So those are new. You can add the VLANs by pointing to another policy. So in other words, you have a domain VLAN policy. If all the VLANs are already instantiated in there, you can point to that policy and pick and choose some or all and bring those in automatically to the Ethernet network group policy. Alternatively, option 3 allows you to build a CSV file and simply import the CSV file. Okay, so a couple new ways of using this feature, okay, to get VLANs into the Ethernet group policy at scale. And let's now go to a short demo. Okay, so here we are in Intersight for the demonstration, and I'm in infrastructure service policies. I'm going to create a policy. I like using the platform type filter, so I'm going to use UCS server for server policies, and then click on Ethernet network group policy. Give it a friendly name. Of course, define your organization. Click Next. And for the Add VLANs pull down, you still have the manual, so you can add them individually or in a range. You can do that. That's always been there, but now we have a couple more options from policy and then from CSV file. Okay, so from policy, let's go ahead and pick that one. A drawer opens up and you'll see your UCS domain VLAN policies that you've built prior. So in this case, I'm going to grab one of my domain VLAN policies, click Next. I get presented all the VLANs that are in that policy, and I can pick and choose all or portions thereof to import into the Ethernet network group policy. In my case, I'm going to pick all and click Select. I get to verify once again, and then click Create. And there we have our Ethernet network group policy that was just created by importing the domain VLAN policy. Let's do this exercise again. Create policy, filter down to server, Ethernet network group, pick your organization, provide a friendly name, click Next. This time, I'm going to import from a CSV file. Okay, and you'll notice that the tooltip here is pretty well done. So it tells you exactly what you need to do for this CSV format. Okay, I will say pay attention up here with the column header, allowed VLAN, or you can just choose VLAN, and that's what I did. You want to make sure that it's case sensitive, so absolutely follow this format. Okay, and with that, let me go ahead and show you the little simple CSV file that I'm importing. Okay, so there's my column header, VLAN, all caps. And you can put ranges in. So here's 100 to 105. You can put them on sequential separate lines if you would, the VLANs. You can skip, of course. They don't have to be contiguous. And then also, if you wish, you can also just do comma separated on a single line. So you have a lot of flexibility with this. Let's go back. Import from CSV file. Let's grab that file, click open. Again, you're presented with all the VLANs that are part of that file, so you'd want to verify. I'm selecting all, click create. Okay, and we have our Ethernet network group policy created by importing the VLANs from a CSV file. Again, this new feature will help you if you're importing dozens or hundreds of VLANs at scale. It's been a request from a lot of our customers, as I said previous, and we're happy to deliver it. And that concludes our demonstration. That concludes our video today about adding VLANs with the UI at scale. I hope you were able to pick up a few tips. Stay tuned for more Intersight Managed Mode Expert Series videos, and thank you.